We need 4 ounces of egg white. So.
Egg white?
Egg
Will I
white.
be egg in it?
Yes, let me show you.
I want to do it.
Well.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's right. Okay, good job. That's it.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done. You did a good job.
I did it.
You did.
Lemon.
Another lemon for the zest. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Lemon. Read it. Is that cool?
This is funny. You know what this is, right? So, Aiko, are your hands clean? You just washed them?
I get on it.
Wait, no, you don't get on it. You're gonna put the berries in there, okay?
Okay.
I'll tell you.
Berry in it.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Can you put more in there at one time?
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect. All right. That's all we needed. Good job.
I'm going for myself.
Okay.
Look at me.
Now you're ready. Yes. Look at you.
I do my daddy cake. I do my daddy cake.
You look so cute. I love your baby pie.
Sifter.
There's the picture for my cake.
Good, girl.
Bye.
Love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You're putting your cake together.
About it, do the cake for you, for you, for you. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Stir it in really good.
I'm making on my tail. I'm making like on my tail. Put it in it.
Yeah.
Put it in there.
There you go. Stir it gently. Wait, let mommy help you.
Okay.
We're gonna pour it in here, okay?
And you pour together.
All right.
And do it again. And do it again. And do it again.
All in there now.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the sugar in it.
Good job, Aiko.
Okay, I'm done. Look at this. I made it. I didn't beat it.
You did not spill it. Good job.
I didn't beat it. I didn't in it. Okay, make
You ready? Good job.
I'm gonna do it. I got done.
You're done with that part, yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh my hands. That cool. That cool.
Yep, just like that.
Oh no. Okay. Oh.
Okay, technical difficulties. Yeah, we dropped the spoon in there. That's okay. Mommy's gonna get it.
Don't do it with your finger.
That's what happened to the spoon. Look at the spoon. It looks weird, right?
It's weird. I cannot.
Yeah, we have to get another spoon.
Give me another spoon.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Go ahead. 5. Give me 5.
That on it.
Yeah, mommy will get it. It's okay. Give me 5. Good job. Good job.
Ready.
Now, you can turn it on.
Ready.
Okay. All right. Okay, that one's ready. Turn it like a wheel. Okay, now put it in there and tap it. Tap it. Good job.
It makes up. It makes up.
Can you send me some?
When I finish.
Okay, when you finish.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good cake. Look at me. Look at me with my hair. I'm ready. Okay.
Whose birthday cake is this?
My daddy.
It is.
Okay. Now put that in there.
Okay. Now,
Get that. Get that.
4 spoons and put it.
I can do it by myself.
Okay, let me stir it first.
Already.
1.
2.
Hold on, let's do it like this. 2. 3. 4. All right, good job. Give me 5. All right. Oh, hold on.
My hand dirty.
Oh, I thought you wanted to give me a 5.
My hand dirty.
Okay, you gonna wash your hands?
Yeah.
All right. You pick them up, put one in there, and then pick up another one and put it in there.
Okay.
Good job.
Wait. Oh. I don't want this. I don't want this. Oh, wow. Really good. Good cake. Good cake. One, 2, 3.
Okay.
My hand dirty. Go ahead and record it. Go ahead and record it. Go ahead and record it.
Turn it up one. Turn it up one. Turn it up one.
That's me on the camera.
Okay. It's okay. Perfect. Lemon juice. Lemon extract. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, let me. Okay, now pour your salt in there. Interesting. All right, good job. Spoon got stuck in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let mommy get it out.
You done?
I'm done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You see?
Delicious.
Bye, eat it.
Delicious.
He's pretending. Oh, he liked it?
Good job.
You did a good job? This is done.
Here.
Good job. Okay, get the other one. Okay. Put one in the middle. Good job. The next part is we're gonna put them all around the on the plate.
On the plate.
Mm-hmm.
Make it pretty. Make it pretty.
Make it pretty.
Just more.
You did it! Yay! It's pretty, right? Yeah. Oh, might not have enough because you were eating them. It's okay.
Oh wow. Oh, that whoa! Oh my god, that hurts.
Ivana,
But I failed.
you're supposed to. Hold the spoon.
Oh,
Hold the spoon. We're almost done.
oh.
You don't want to do this part?
No. Enough.
Enough?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me go get on candle.
All right.
Gumi, Daddy. Your camera.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna get the camera and take a picture, and then we're gonna sing, and then we can eat the cake.
Happy, happy. Okay, I did it. Get a knife. Wow. Go sleep.
Thought you were gonna sing, boo. What did I sing?
Happy birthday.
You did good. You wanna wave it off? Come on. Good try. All right. Say thank you and good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay, thank you.
Good night.
Good seeing everybody.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.
Love y'all.
Right.
Say bye. Say bye.